the chief guest of today, how he finished his speech, I would like to take the legacy forward in the same way. The way he said, thank you for the opportunity. The same way I would like to begin my speech. Thank you for the opportunity. Because today we can see around 12 teams, if I'm not wrong, participating here. And if my assumption is right, we have around 120 participants who have participated in different competitions. So in the debate, what I heard about the education and employment, what I heard was the skill set that has to be promoted. And I think this function and this fest has done exactly that one. We have built something called a skill set. Like there were so many competitions as pointed by our chief guest Raju Magvik sir. I think one of the competition which was digital something about budget making. Yeah, budget making. I guess it builds a lot of skills in an individual. Financial plan, which can be personal financial plan, family financial plan, company financial plan, nation's financial plan, institutional financial plan, and so many other things, as sir pointed out. So I would like to thank the management for building up that particular skill in all the individuals. And if I had to conclude my speech in any way, I would like to conclude in a simple way calling ABC. A for amazing experience. I had an amazing experience. My lecturer in the University College Mangalore, she had completed her Fatima ma'am. She had completed her PG studies at this particular college, and she used to always share her memories and stuffs like that with me. So today we have finally experienced it here live and seen that thing. Next point of mine is brilliant. B for brilliant. Brilliant teamwork, which I heard from her all the time. I was finally able to see that thing that was brilliant teamwork. We always hear it in the sport and in so many other fields, even in the schools, like teamwork does the dream work. And ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ my particular experiences, I tried to capture as many things I could. Even my friends, we tried capturing as many things as I could. But if I had to tell my speech in concluding way, in a simple way, my heart is sized at particular size. Something, it has a size of something. But the memories that I captured, the happiness that these volunteers, these lecturers, all the people here they gave me, ಅದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ.